Welcome. Let's look at how to solve this interesting set of equations. X times y equals to 50, y times z equals to 100, z times s equals to 200. X, y, z is greater than 0. So we're asked to find x plus y plus z. What is the answer? Let's get to the solution. To start with, let's rewrite the equations. We have xy equals to 50. We have yz equals to 100. Then we have zx equals to 200. So let's call this one E1, that's equation 1. Then call this one equation 2. Then call this one equation 3. So we have 3 sets of equations, right? So let's look at the trick. So to solve this one, we simply say, let's pick this one. If you take equation 1, multiply by equation 2, and divide by equation 1. Let's do that one and see. And divide by equation 3 rather. Equation 1 times equation 2 divided by equation 3. So this will give us xy is equation 1. So we have xy multiplied by equation 2, which is yz, divided by equation 3, which is zx. It should be equals to, let's multiply the values. Xy is also 50, so we have 50 times yz, which is 100, divided by zx, which is 200. So this implies, we can see that x will cancel x, z will cancel z. So we are left with y squared equals to 0 cancel 0 here, then 2 here, 1 and 2 here, 25. So we have found y to be equals 25, y squared equals 25. So straight, easy. Then also have here, if you take equation 1 times equation 3 divided by equation 2. So here, equation 1 is xy multiplied by equation 2, equation 3, which is what? Zx, divided by equation 2, which is yz, is equals to equation xy is given as 50, then zx is given as 200, then yz is given as 100. So this will give us 100 goes here 1, 100 goes into this one 2. So we have 50 times 2 will give us what? 100. So here's going to give us, we are going to have y cancelling what? Y, z cancels what? Z. So we are left with x squared here, x squared equals to what? 100. Right. Now let's come here. We can also take E2 times E3 divided by E1. So here, our E2 is given as YZ, E3 is given as ZX, then E1 is given as XY. So this one we equals to, let's multiply their values. YZ is given as 100 multiplied by zx is given as 200 divided by xy is given as 50. So this implies we have x cancelling x, y cancelling y, then we have z squared equals to 50 goes into here 1 and 50 goes to this one 2. So when we multiply, I get 400. So we have found y squared, x squared, and z squared. So now let's get back to the equation. We're asked to find x plus, we should find the values for what? X plus y plus what? Z. So we have two methods. So So let's look at method 1. Method 1. A, that is x plus y plus z, is just simply going to be equals to, here we have y squared. We have y squared, x squared, and z squared, right? So we can write this one as x the same as square root of what? X squared, plus y will give us square root of y squared, plus c will give us square root of, z will give us square root of what? Z squared. This is how we get. So, but our x squared is 100. So this one can be written as 100 square root, plus y is found as 25. So square root of 25, plus z squared will give us 400. So square root of 400. Then we have here as square root of 100 will give us 10, plus square root of 25, that will give us 5, plus square root of 400, and that will give us 20. So we add 20 plus 5 plus 10, and that will give us 35. So this is the sum for x plus y plus z. Okay, so the other method, we can also look at method 2. In method 2, we are going to apply the identities, algebra identities to solve that. So we have x plus y plus z squared equals to x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. That's how good. It will give us plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. This identity can be applied. So here we have x plus y plus z squared equals to x squared is found as what? 100. So we can have here as 100 for x squared. Y squared was found as what? 25, plus z squared, which was found as what? 400, plus 2xy, we have 2. Remember, xy in the question, xy was given as what? 50. So xy is 50. All right. So plus 2xz. So xz is 200. So we have 2 times of 200, plus 2z what? X. 2z y what? Z. So 2yz is given us 2 times what? 100. Is it? Yeah, 2 times 100. Okay. So to solve this one, we have here as 100 plus 25 plus 400 plus 100 plus 400 plus 200. So let's add this one. So we have x plus y plus z squared. I also have x plus y plus z squared equals to, let's get a sum of this. So 100 plus 25 will give us 125, plus 400 will give us 525. So it's 25. Have 1225. That is if you add all this. So we can take the square root of this side and then take the square root of this. So the square root will break this one. Then we have x plus y plus z equals to square root of 1225 is equals to 30 what? 5. So this is another way of getting our values of x. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe if you are still new to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.